if you don't want this will happen to you, then you might not marry or date a Filipino. Oh my god, it's a little bit scary. Hey, what's up, Tinkles? Welcome back again to our key channel. Once again, this is Tang, your ordinary Filipina. And for today's video, Tinkles, it's quite different, I guess. So, if you don't want this will happen to you, then you might not marry or date a Filipino. Oh my god, it's a little bit scary. Oh, so if you're interested, you might continue. Or not, you might leave. Okay, so in this video, I will tell you about the personalities of a Filipina that you will really fall in love to them. A personality that you will really willing to do everything just to make your Filipina happy. The first thing that you might know is that Filipinas have a heart of gold. You know what, Tinkles? Filipina is known to have a heart of gold because they will show you kindness. They take care of you first before they take care of themselves. They really show you the real meaning of how you take care for a partner. Have you ever experienced that someone will take care of you more than we do, or more than you do, I mean? Because Filipina is known as to have the uncanny ability to make you feel like you are the universe. You are the center of their universe, and that is really a good feeling for sure. They will treat you well, they will prepare your breakfast and everything that make you feel loved, Tinkles. They're very kind. That's it. That's why we call that we are the heart of gold. Next one is family first. Filipina is really into family. They really take care for your family. They don't do or they don't go out. They don't make party because they already finished that when they are still in their teenage life. So if you make your own family, so we Filipina do really our the so-called family first. We prioritize our kids, we prioritize our children, and of course we prioritize our husband. And then if someone will gonna invite you for a party, just to yes, of course, sometimes it is very important to unwind, especially if you're a full-time mom. It's also good that somehow you can feel relaxed. But how we can relax if we are far away from our kids? Yes, we are on the table sitting with you guys, but then our mind is not here, not with you, because our mind is, how is my kids there? How is they doing? Are they okay? Are they all right? Have they eaten? Our mind is in our kids. So we better go out if we will bring our kids. But sometimes there are girls party only, girls only, no kids, just us to enjoy the moment. But no, I cannot do that because my mind will not be stable or cannot think very well if my kids are far away from me. So it is very important for us to have this priority. Your priority, that your family is your priority, your husband, of course, your son. And especially talking for that, oh, my son is here. I'm gonna get my stand of my phone. Yeah, 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 kuya. No, the next one is that Filipino is really, if they will really fall in love, they really give all. They it's somehow like they don't want also save for themselves, because if they love, they always give 100%. But they said you cannot love others if you don't love yourself. But we already love ourselves, of course. That's why we are willing to share the love that we feel in ourselves, we're willing to share it to our partners. We're really passionate in terms of love. And of course, somehow we're very, intimate. hmm It's quite, yeah, it's part of relationship that intimacy also is needed. And then Filipina can give that to you. Right, Tinkles? Am I right or not? Tell it to me. Anyway, yeah. So Filipina is really, they are really treasure every memories that you make. Did you know that if you're going somewhere with your Filipina, it's a new place, they're gonna make pictures because for them they valued also memories. And in terms of love, you will really feel loved so much. And if you don't feel love with your Filipino right now, they might not serious about you. So that's a red flag. Oh my god. So you should not stay in a toxic relationship with that, because we Filipinos are very lovable. We really show love, and there are many ways to show love. It's either cooking, take care of you, of course, all in one. Cook you, take care of you, take care for you in bed. Wow. Did you know, Tinkles, that 69 is no longer applicable this generation? Because there's a new thing I found out. It's 88. I eat you and you will eat me. Wow. So that's it. So the Filipina is really, you really wish that you have that, because if they were really in love, you will really feel that. If you really feel loved with your Filipina, wow, it's really a wonderful feelings. Tell me if I'm wrong. A Filipina also is your number one supporter and your number one encourager. Tinkles, they will gonna support you until beyond, above. Because we loved you. That is how we love each other. We will should support each other and we encourage each other. If if you fell down, if I fell down, for sure we have no one to share, as it's all our partner in life. We cannot share to other people. We should share to our partners. That's why we are your number one supporter and also your number one encourager. So if you're down, they will gonna encourage you. If you're tired, they will gonna do something for you that you feel well again. That's it. That is how we show our love. We support each other. We encourage each other. Filipina is really loyal, and in terms of relationship, they are really committed. If you think your Filipina is not like that, then they might cheating on you. They might not serious about you, because Filipina is one so cold, really real, and really loyal in terms of love. Maybe not all, depends how lucky you are to choose your Filipina. But aside from that, you really can feel that your Filipina is serious, committed, loyal, and honest to you. You know, if we are in a relationship, we are willing to do all just to make the relationship stronger, to make this relationship work. You know, in terms there is like a moment na you have problems that you face off, Tinkles, and then your Filipino will not gonna give up easily. She will first fight for it, but Filipina cannot fight alone. So it should be both of you, Tinkles. It is very important to have that mindset that we women will not easily to give up. We fight, but then if the moment that we feel like we are fighting alone, then be afraid for that, because we are tired also. We have boundaries also. So just because, yeah, Filipino is gonna easy to get, Filipina is really committed, really loyal, then you're gonna play our feelings. No, because we also have boundaries. So if you want to experience a very strong and long lasting relationship, then it should be mutual. Because not because that we Filipina is loyal and committed, and then you're gonna play our feelings. It's a no go. So we really show that our relationship should work. Yes, Tinkles. We do everything. That's how loyal and lovable we are. Committed in a relationship. That is what we are. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video and you consider to give like and comment. Thank you so much. It's so windy na here, so I'm gonna say bye. Bye.